Having a well-organized notebook that contains your ideas, the business line's actual needs from the analysis, precise solutions to their problems, and justifications why certain KPIs acted the way they did is the most crucial thing that you can do before beginning a project and analyzing a dataset to produce insights. In this video, I'll walk you through OneNote to effectively organize your data analytics project. I'm Anas, welcome to Xanalytica. If this is the first time on my channel, please make sure to check my other videos and subscribe if you'd like to see similar content in the future. It's a software application that allows you to create and manage digital notebooks, which are a collection of notes, drawings, clippings, and other multimedia elements. Part of Microsoft Office suite, which also includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other productivity tools. You can use it on your PC, Mac, mobile devices, or online through a web browser. You can create notebooks from scratch or use a template that has a predefined theme, layout, and design. You can add text, images, art, audio, video, and screenshots to your pages and format them with different colors, fonts, effects, and tags. You can use OneNote Designer to get suggestions for professional looking pages based on your content. You can save your notebooks to OneDrive, which is a cloud storage service that lets you access your files from anywhere to share them with others. You can use ink tools to sketch or write ideas. You can search and find tools to locate any information in your notebooks quickly and easily. You can use lists. So, OneNote has pages, which is a part of sections, and sections is a part of your notebooks. OneNote has really intriguing features, which is that you can add templates from insert, and those templates can be a to-do list. For example, also you can add different sections, for example, meetings, ideas, issues, data quality, problem definitions, and key findings, which is something that you have to do daily in your data analytics job and in your data analytics tasks. So, for example, problem definition, we add a page that includes what needs to be done, and from here you can, and from insert and page templates, you can choose the kind of template that you would like to have, for example, business, academic, and you can see that you can add many different templates in which according to your needs and how they suit them. So for example, in meetings, I have meetings with Mark, Anthony, Sarah, and as many people as you'd like to have. And then you can include the kinds of notes that you had in those meetings and what did you talk about. For example, here I added a new section, and you can simply do that by just clicking on the plus icon in sections. Here you can also save or create a new notebook from just clicking also the plus sign in the new notebook, and you can switch in between the different notebooks that you have according also to your needs. So here I have Mark, for example, in which we had a really interesting meeting, and we talked about looking at different consumer segments to determine what kinds of most valued customers according to the purchase volume and according to margins. You can also format the text in your notebook, for example, the color, or if it's bold or not, and you can highlight it as well in yellow, for example, and you can also change the style of your text, align it, add indentation or remove indentation, add bullet points to your text, etc. You can additionally add a table to your notebooks, or to your pages, which makes it more easier to read through and to look at. As well as you can also insert images, background images or images in your notebook, which can be done from insert, and you can add pictures from your PC device, or you can add them from online sources. You can add backgrounds, etc. As you can see, the notebook page, it's infinite. So zoom out, zoom in, and choose whatever you want. You can additionally add a video either from your device or through a URL. As you can see, I added a video that I've made 1 week ago, and it can be within notebooks. So you don't have to go to the source, or you don't have to go, in this case, to YouTube. You can also draw and choose a highlighter to highlight the most intriguing text or notes that you have in your pages. You can also choose different colors from draw, and you can additionally write something in your handwriting if you have a writing pad, or you can do it with a mouse and convert that text to a word. Like, it doesn't have to be your handwriting, but it can be a typed form of writing. You can also go to review and choose the text that you'd like and translate it to many other languages. For example, you can choose Arabic, and you could see that it has been translated to the Arabic language, or you can choose Hungarian, or you can choose any of the languages listed. You can also go to view and have your notebook in full screen. You can additionally add from view, you can add rule lines. Also, you can go to add shading to the part of text that you have. Additionally, you can align it, center it, or anything you'd like to do. You can additionally add spreadsheets. You can add to-do tags to make your own to-do list. And in the end, you can email the page. So it's just like printing it as a PDF and send it to someone that you'd like to see, which connects directly to your email, and that's it, and send it. Or you can collaborate by saving it into OneDrive, and then after it has been synced, you can share with people by typing their email address and include a personal message in which it can include what would you like this person to focus on this notebook, or what kind of collaboration or input you'd like to see from them. So as you can see, please share your ideas on what's needed from this analysis. And that's it. OneNote, as you can see, is a really effective organization tool that will help you in your data analytics job to understand the business line, and also to document the ideas that you have in order to be more efficient in your job and to fully comprehend the kind of data that you have. And also you'll be able to share your ideas and keep it. Thank you for watching. Please share in the comments below what's your favorite note-taking app, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to Xanalytica for similar content in the future.